This is one of the sitting asanas where the starting position, as described before, is sitting on your buttocks, legs straight, knees straight, toes pulled up towards you, hands on your thighs. Now remember, Yogasana is about slow motion movement, slow controlled movement. Yogasana is about going from one position to another position when you are ready to move to the next position. So here is Vaishali moving on to the next step, where she's put her weight on her hands, made her spine straighter and taller. And now she's getting herself settled into that position before she can move to the next position. Now she's bending her right leg, folding all the way down, and then stretching back. So you got a sort of a splits being made with the right leg at the back and the left leg at the front. Weight is on the left buttock and the right front groin thigh area. She needs to make sure she gets her balance right. So she's settling down with her hands. And this is what I mean by every position. Breathing should be relaxed, posture should be balanced, posture should be comfortable before you move on to the next step. When she is ready, she will move to the next step. Now she slowly bends her left leg, where the left heel should come to the perineum and the left foot should be close to the thigh, touching the thigh. And again she settles herself because she's got a different set of parameters now to balance on. She can rest on the side of the thigh and the left buttock and the part of the leg, but she still needs to hold her balance comfortably, keep the spine straight. And now she's going to bend the right leg from the knee, hold it back to get to maximum with both her arms, and then slowly stretch the spine back so that the top of the head touches the sole of the foot. Now this is quite a big stretch for the spine and the hamstring muscles, glutea as well. It's a maximum contraction, and at the front abdomen it is maximum stretch. Hold this position. You may move on to the same asana with other side of the legs later on to bring balance. Remember, breathing has to be relaxed. Breathing should not be controlled or stopped or held. Should continue to breathe nice and easy all the way through. Hold as long as you can and then slowly return to the starting position. It is only when you return to the starting position that the asana is complete. You do not give up halfway. This asana is very good for spinal movement, for stretching quads and hamstrings, abdominal stretch, and pushing the body.